Dear friends of the mystical path, today I would like to introduce you to a very special course. The idea of the Fountain of Youth stands for a high meditation technique that works with a special spiritual life energy. Regular breathing of this energy gives youthfulness, a beautiful radiance, and can stop aging according to the traditional teachings. The energy also has a balancing and healing effect and serves your spiritual development. For the practical preparation, I recommend the first two courses of Vital Energy Breathing as a basis. Vital Energy Breathing activates and strengthens the energy body and thus increases your vitality. The exercises for the Fountain of Youth build on this. Please check out the other videos for the individual courses. Thank you for your kind attention. I wish you, as always, the best and much love. See you soon.